In example 1, we want to write the equation in standard form that passes through the point 7, negative 2, with a slope of negative 3/5. In this case, because we're given a point and a slope, we're going to write this in point-slope form to start. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, where my x1 is 7, my y1 is negative 2, and my m is represented by negative 3/5. Plugging those three numbers into the point-slope equation, we will have y minus negative 2, which becomes positive 2, is equal to the slope, negative 3/5, multiplied by x minus the x-coordinate, or x1, which is 7. In this case, what we want to do in order to get it into standard form is, first of all, eliminate the fractions. And so what we see is that we have a fraction here where the negative 3/5 is. And so in order to get rid of that, we're going to multiply this side of the equation by 5. But in order to keep our equality, we know that we must also multiply this side of the equation by 5 as well. And so, distributing the 5 on the left-hand side, what we will end up with is 5y plus 10 is equal to, and then multiplying this right-hand side by 5, all I'm going to do is multiply the 5 times the negative 3/5, and that means that the 5's here are going to cancel out, and we'll just be left with negative 3 as the coefficient in front of the parentheses for x minus 7. Now, as always, when I see parentheses, I'm going to distribute, so my negative 3 will go into this parentheses and multiply, and that's going to give me negative 3x plus a 21, and then my 5y plus 10 will just drop down to the next line. In order to finish this problem and get it into standard form, we know that we need all of the variables on the left side, and so that means that we will add 3x to both sides in order to get that on the left-hand side over here. So that will give us 3x plus 5y, and then we will subtract 10 on both sides so that we get all of our constants on the right-hand side. And so that's going to give us 3x plus 5y is equal to, my 3x's will cancel out, and 21 minus 10 will give me 11.